YouTube? So I got another tutorial video for y'all right now. We're gonna be focusing on legs. So follow me. Let's go. We're gonna get straight to it. So I'm gonna show y'all a variation I do for dumbbell lunges. I think it really helps me, I guess, target my legs and get the most out of the movement. I'm all about that, as y'all seen through my tutorial videos and through my channel, that I'm all about getting the most out of every exercise that I do. Clock in, clock out, that's what we about. So over here. So basically it's, I'm gonna be doing the reverse lunge. Y'all might already do this, but again, there's some people that are new to working out and, you know, benefit from these tutorial videos. So here we go. So start off right here, feet, you know, in neutral stance, shoulder width apart, and then you're gonna take whatever leg you wanna do. I'm gonna start off with my left leg. So I'm gonna bring my right leg back like this. As soon as you step it back, you're just gonna drop, right? And that's your lunge. Back. And by doing this, so this particular, I'm gonna do without the dumbbells right quick. So, the reason I'm doing reverse lunges, it's a lot easier on your knees. A lot of times if you're doing forward lunges, some people, I don't know if I'm doing it correctly, but some people might have their knee go past their toe. And you never want that. It's gonna put a lot of stress at the bottom of your kneecap, and it's not good for the long run, right? So we're in this for longevity, remember? So a lot of times you can do forward lunges, but you need to be mindful that when doing them, you wanna stick your foot out, plant your foot, and drop. That way you're allowing your knee not to go past your toe and properly doing the movement correctly and getting all of that work. I even feel it a little bit here too. So same thing with this side. So those are good as long as you keep in mind that as soon as you plant that foot, drop instead of, you know, allowing that knee to go past. And eventually after fatigue, you can eventually start pushing that knee past your toe. So a way to avoid all that is to do the reverse lunge, right? So with the reverse lunge, you kind of take all of that out of the equation or not necessarily take everything out of the equation, like you can still have your knee go past your toe, but it's a lot less likely because you're pushing back. So push back and then straight down. So you're not really allowing that knee ever really opportunity to go over because you're already going, your momentum is going backwards, but you're still getting that same work because the movement is still targeting all of your quads, and you're basically getting the most out of the workout without a high probability of injury, right? So, but my particular variation I'm gonna do today, because a lot of times you'll probably see people do, they'll alternate, right? Which is fine, you'll get a lot out of that movement, but I like to do it where I'm getting more activation on one side and then I switch to the other side. So I'll typically do this, I'll go here, and then I'll stay on that leg, right? So now you're getting, this leg is getting all that work. It's not getting a chance to rest, right? So you'll do this for like, I don't know, 15 reps, and then you switch over to the other leg. Okay. And a lot of the best way to kind of keep your balance is try not to go straight back with your whatever leg you're moving back with. You're not giving yourself a lot of stability, right? Because your legs are so close together. So instead, when you kick back with one of the legs, go out. That way you still have a strong base. This is far out here, this is far out here, therefore you're not really wobbling all over the place, right? So let me grab the dumbbells and do a set really quick. Let's grab the dumbbells. Not even gonna lie, my legs are already on fire. I did legs yesterday, but here we go. So, boom, one. And you can let your knee touch the ground if you want. I'm off and on about it. I don't typically do it all the time. I typically go just far enough where it's just about to touch the ground, so I'm getting a full stretch on my leg. and then back up. But it's okay if it touches the ground. Don't slam your knee into the ground, but you know, get a deep stretch. You don't want to kind of come here and then that's all you're doing. Get far down there, right? All right, switch over. And there you have it. So lunges, in particular those, are gonna really start targeting that outer quad. So just so you know exactly what you're gonna be working, but you'll probably feel it a lot on your outer quad, but overall, your whole quad is gonna get activation on that. You're gonna get activation on your glutes and your hamstrings. So overall, great movement for your legs. All right, so there you have it. Another tutorial in for the books. I hope y'all are liking these. I hope y'all are trying them on your own. Let me know in the comment section. And till next time, we out.